It so hurts. It so hurts. It so hurts. It so hurts. Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl April. I am back with another makeup tutorial. I'm telling you, I got these looks coming. Like, oh my gosh, like this is probably like the third one this week or something. I don't know, but I'm on a roll, so we're gonna keep this momentum going. But anyway, I am back with another makeup tutorial. Today I did a purple and orange little glitter cut crease, and this look will be the first of my my Monday segments. I'm thinking about doing Mondays like what I want to say is gonna be like a makeup crush Monday. So I'll see a look that I was inspired by, like on Facebook or Instagram, and recreate the look, and you know, that'll be my makeup crush, like something that I was feeling and thought it was dope and decided to recreate. So this is the first one I saw. This look that fellow artist from Baltimore created, and I thought it was dope. So yeah, I was like, yeah, let me try to recreate that. So this is the look for today, and I'm tired of rambling on. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, I ain't got no force for to cut out today.
Subscribe.
Come get you some of that bounce. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Alright, so here I am with the final look, guys. I don't went on and added me some full moles. You know, my little lip gloss is popping. Changed my shirt. Added some little accessories. Stuff like that. Took my scarf off. Out. So anyway, well, this is the final look. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you stuck around and you're here, you know, you done made it through this whole entire video. And, you know, I'm grateful for that. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, you like this makeup, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment below, tell me how you feel about it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. You don't want to miss it because I'm getting ready to, you know, I'm just going to keep coming with these videos. I ain't going to stop. I'm just going to keep being into the swing of things. Also, comment below and let me know. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere in here where you can see the look that I was inspired to create today. So stay tuned and come back next Monday so you can see who's my makeup crush. You know, next week it might be one of your, you know, favorite YouTubers or whoever you watch on Instagram. I might come through and try to recreate, you know, something hot. So yeah, like I said, this week is something for a girl from Baltimore. So We got some dope artists here as well. So, it was a pretty good inspo. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time. Stay fierce.